Hello students and welcome to DAV Moyle Public School. Let's begin an online session of Standard 7th Mathematics with your teacher Mrs. Vandana Ghagre. Dear students, today in the lesson Unit 4 Exponents and Powers, we will see the reciprocal with positive integral exponents, and in the laws of exponent today we will see the law 1. So in the previous session we have seen exponents and powers of a rational number, and today we are going to learn about the reciprocal with positive integral exponent and the law 1 of exponent. See here, reciprocal with positive integral exponent. Now we know that the reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. The reciprocal of 3 square is 1 upon 3 square. So which two numbers are called the reciprocal? When we multiply both the numbers, we will get the answer as 1. That number is known as the reciprocal. Now let's do some example to find the reciprocal of a rational number with positive integral exponents. See here, 3 upon 4 whole square. Now if you want to write the reciprocal of 3 upon 4 whole square, we have to take that number to the denominator. Now while taking that numbers to the denominator, what we have to take? 1 upon 3 upon 4 raised to the power whole square. Now if we will write this number as 1 upon 3 square upon 4 square, we have to take its reciprocal. That is 4 square is in the numerator and 3 square is in the denominator. So what is the answer of reciprocal of 3 upon 4 whole square? The 3 upon 4 whole square is nothing but the 4 upon 3 whole square. So here we can write this number as 1. The second step, we can write that number like this also. So if you are getting confused, instead of writing that line, you can write the number as 3 upon 4, 1 divided by 3 upon 4 whole square. So in this way you can write the number and find the reciprocal. See here in the second question, if you will see, minus 5 upon 7 whole raised to the power 5. So its reciprocal is minus 7 upon 5 raised to the power 5. So instead of going in this method, if you will write, you can write directly also the reciprocal of the given number. What you have to do? You have to change numerators to denominators. See here, the numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator. So in general, the reciprocal of a rational numbers p by q, where p not equal to 0, q not equal to 0, is q by p. Means we are changing the numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator, and both numbers are called reciprocal of now each. In the laws of exponents, we have seen the first law, that is, if 2 raised to 3 is there, then 2 into 2 into 2, and 2 raised to 4 means what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now if you will find out the values of 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 4, what we have to do? We have to write this number as 2 into 2 into 2 multiplied by 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times. So how many times it becomes? It becomes 1, then 2, then 3, then 4 times 2, then 5 times 2, then 6 times 2, and the last one is 7 times 2. So what you will write? You will write this number as 2 raised to 7. Why 7? Because how many times 2 is there? 2 is 7 times. So in other word, we can say the 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 4 equals to 2 raised to the power 3 plus 4 means powers we have to add. Powers we have to add. So this is the law of first law of exponent. So see here in this number, here the bases are same. So what is the base? Bases are 2 by 5 and here is 2 by 5. Power is what? 2 and 3. So what we will do? We will add them. Why we will add them? Because the sign is multiplication sign. In between this multiplication sign is there. So we have to add the powers. So here 2 upon 5 into 2 upon 5 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 3. So write in the combined way 2 upon 5, 2 plus 3, that gives you 2 upon 5 raised to the power 5. So this is the final answer of your example 5. So what we will suggest, the law 1, what it is? If x is any rational number, x not equal to 0 and m and n are the positive integers, then x raised to m into x raised to n equals to x raised to m plus n. Means what we have to do? We have to add this number, means m power plus n. So law 1 also extended when the numbers are in the exponential form to be multiplied are more than 2 but each has the same base. The condition is what? One must have the same base. So this is the important condition. So here see the 3 numbers are there. So here no power is there. No power is means what? No power is means power 1. So bases are, base is same. And what is the same base? That same base is 2 by 3. So what we will do? We will add the powers, that is 2, 3 and 1. So what is the final answer? 2 upon 3 raised to the power 6. So here the base is what? 2 upon 3, which is same in all the cases, and therefore we have to add the powers only. So dear students, today we have seen the reciprocals of a negative integer exponents. So here is a small assignment for you based on the same topic, and here you have to use the law 1 to solve this assignment. See here is 1. So what you have to write here? Here you have to write 4. So what should be the power of this? Minus 2 upon 3 raised to the power 4. So in this way you have to complete this assignment. Thank you dear students. Have a nice day.